Hi, I'm Nathan Waldorf, the 2016 President of the Greater Chattanooga Association of Realtors. Today I'll be reviewing with you the monthly home sales stats for the month of January based on information being released by the Multiple Listing Service of GCAR. By and large, 2015 was a great year for residential real estate in the Greater Chattanooga region. Increases in sales and home prices bode well for a productive 2016. I'm personally looking forward to what I believe will be another positive year of growth in our real estate market. On that note, let's take a look at how the first month of the year started off. Closed sales rose 11.5% in January, totaling out to 581 residential units sold. Not a bad start for 2016. New listings in the Chattanooga region decreased 2.6% to 1,063. Inventory levels shrank 22.1% to 3,625 units. Prices continue to gain traction. The median sales price increased 5.8% to $144,612. Days on the market dropped 36.1% to 69 days. Sellers were encouraged as month supply of inventory was down 30.4% to 4.8 months. As an association, we will continue to keep our eyes on the speculation of interest rate changes and dips in employment. So far, locally and nationally, both continue to maintain their current positive figures. This wraps up another edition of the Home Sales Report. I'm GCAR President Nathan Waldorf. Thanks for watching.